Speaker 1.
This summer, I'm going to volunteer at a local school in Osaka, Japan. I'll be teaching children from 5 to 11 years old how to speak, listen, read, and write in my language. Hopefully, I'll be able to see the sights in my free time too.
Speaker 2.
I've just finished my training, and so I'm a qualified nurse now, but my job at the local hospital doesn't start until January. I wanted to do something useful in the 4 months before I start, so I'm volunteering. I'm traveling to Thailand next week to vaccinate children in the remote villages in the mountains.
Speaker 3.
I'm going to Greece next week, but it's not going to be a relaxing holiday. I'm going to help sea turtles by protecting their nests and talking to tourists about how to keep them safe.
Speaker 4.
When school finishes, I'm going to Malawi in Africa. I'll be helping the local communities there by building schools and digging wells in one of the poorest areas in the country.
Speaker 5.
I'm going to spend my summer holidays in the USA, working with 10 to 16-year-olds. I'm going to look after them, play sports with them, and teach them the rules. It's also a chance to teach them some other lessons too, like the value of teamwork and the importance of friendship.